asking about me, where I've been and where.
Hello and good morning, and today we are back on the track for walking. So today also we will be completing 2 laps of brisk walking. So let's do it. So today is 12th of July and it's been a week. The rain has not fallen yet and it is expected to continue like this for at least 2 weeks. It should rain in between, but it is completely shut down. As you can see, the sky looks different and it is not like monsoon where weight remains the same because we didn't do exercise or walking in between, and we ate more amount of food which is equal to more amount of calories. So sunlight is here and sun is visible. I thought the sun would be not visible for much longer time, but he comes between. So I'm expecting Sunday to be a long day because I need to edit 2 vlogs or 3 vlogs maybe today itself, and I also need to wash my bike because I traveled yesterday to out of station and it was wonderful quality time spent with office colleagues, and it was a wonderful day yesterday. And today I want my Sunday to be busy or active instead of sitting and laying down doing nothing. So even if my body is paining right now because of the yesterday's travel, I am still got the motivation to walk this 2 laps and burn some of the calories. And today I'm also brisk walking, so it will be more beneficial. And I'm also looking forward to see my favorite cat who should be hunting around. I hope we got to see his glimpse.
I sleep, it's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same ball cap, same old boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But in this town, the truth don't stop. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this.
So the time is 8:50 in the morning, and I think we must have left the house around 8:15 or 8:20, and we are expecting to complete this lap and another one within 10 and reach back home before 10. So it's time for round 2, that is lap 2, and right now we are walking and continue our brisk walking, and let's continue the hard work. And I hope I will increase another lap if I need to, because my eating has become very bad. So walking should be not a punishment, it should be compensate. When you eat more, you need to compensate the calories by walking. So there is a very good term in the local language which is Marathi. So we have to do the work in Niyamit Nitya Nemane, which means limited, pure discipline. You don't need to do extreme, but you have to do the limited and with pure intention and with discipline.
I moved on, but not too far, just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you can't outrun the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Monday and right now we are going to office. It's 9:40. It's 8:40 in the morning and today we have to travel to Mumbai and the routine continues and no vlogs posted yet, but I will post today itself. I haven't done any editing, so need to do that. Chalo, let's move before we get late. So in the left right now, and I hope I don't get late today.
Mine, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone.
The rainfall is absent today also. From the past 1 week, there is no rains.
You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Don't go too far.
So unfortunately today we woke up late and we didn't go for a walk today, but today is office day. We will cover the 10k steps. It's not 10k, I guess it's 12k. I've increased it to 12k, the minimum. I hope I achieve it, and apart from that I should also do some more.
When it's written in the counting stars, I try living, trying it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Yeah. Ooh. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't live in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't live in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't live in a town this small.
Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through.
I just reached tired home and I'm very tired. I had so much work today, and right now we are going to eat some food. So welcome back, guys. Today is Tuesday and right now we are going to office. And the one thing I have not done is I didn't edit the vlog, so I hope this vlog will come little late. And today outside the climate is humid, no rainfall as usual as the climate which was past week. And let's go. Today we have got late. I hope today we will go get a late mark. I hope not, but let's see. If we reach the station within 10, then it's possible. Within not 10 but within 9:45 or 9:50 we can reach till the optimum time, which is 11. Let's see how it goes today, and hopefully we reach in time, otherwise it's fine.
Can you get me cruising on the moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows over it. Checking my maps, heading the stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl.
Wow, what a lovely skyline it is. Pigeons, clouds, trees.
Can you keep it warm for me, keep it on for me like a shower? I needed to run for me, hold it down till I'm pulling up. I finally made it, girl. And I'm at the door, see you walking up to me, and you got something that's showing what's underneath. Still you expect me to make it do pleasantries, baby, I'm yours. Love what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. Rubbing in the hallway, no use for all the rooms. So what you wanna do? And she told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. She said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. We could catch a vibe here on this trip. I'm in your soul, you're on my head. I want you at my feet.
I just came back home. I don't know. I got late today. It's 10:30 in the night. And this is the first time I got this much late, I guess, from the office. I left office around 7:15, and it took me almost 3 hours 30 minutes to reach home. There was no sharing cab from Juinagar till my home, and that is the sole reason I came home late. I'm very tired, I am hungry, so let's get freshen up and I'll see you in some time. I thank you for watching and I see you tomorrow. I was looking beautiful today. As you can see, my attire is lovely. This is the attire for today, and right now we are leaving to office. I hope it doesn't rain.
Fingertips all night, all night. Love what you got on, but I want it all.
So it's 9:05 in the morning, and right now we are late as yesterday. So coming back to home from office.
She said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no.